Again, guys, we're back here. I brought my inflatable kayak. We're gonna do a 2-year test, review test of the kayak, and go for a little paddle on this beautiful lake over here. Okay, so follow along. Let's go.
At the end of the night, under street lamp, red face flamed by the light. I'm going away, gone away, I'm gone away. And the sun must be somewhere. Welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. I'm gone
Kayak is all inflated. Now we're just gonna put the seats. And away we go. Looks like it might rain. There's dark clouds in the sky. Hopefully not.
Agua?
Yeah, put in the water. You don't have to go in the water. Okay. Here we go. Alright, I gotta put the fin underneath. Alright. Can we go in from that side? Oh, the water's a bit cool. Yeah. Okay, here we go. I've been on many numerous trips with this kayak, and
2 or 3 years.
it's the 2nd year. As I was said before, and anybody who watched my previous videos on this kayak, it's super stable. It has a fin
Look over here.
in the back, and to allow you to, you know, have a straight tracking. So it tracks pretty straight for an inflatable. It came with 2 fins underneath, but if you put 2 and you get stuck between a tree trunk or something, you might be stuck in the water and won't be able to get out. So I just put 1 in the back and it does the job perfectly. I'm going to a field of lily pads right now. Lily pads everywhere. It's a beautiful day today. We have a risk of thunderstorms. I can see some dark clouds over on my left side. Hopefully we'll be out of here before the thunder lightning come. But it's not too hot. It's around 22 degrees Celsius, 22, 23. So it's the first time this year on the water, and we have another trip planned for August, but it's just it's a provincial park trip in southeastern Ontario. Good thing about this kind of kayak is that I bought it, I think I told you guys before, because I had a rigid hull kayak, and then I moved and I didn't have that much storage space as I had when I had my bigger house. So I still wanted to continue kayaking, and I bought myself an inflatable, wondering if it would be as good or not, but I chose this one and I haven't been disappointed so far. You can store it anywhere. It goes in a bag, put it in a closet, whatever you want, and then just take it out and inflate it wherever you go, and that's it. Away you go, easy. Just make sure when you put it away, don't put it away wet. You know, wipe it down, let it dry in the sun, and you'll have many more years of use. So yeah, the floor is drop stitch, new technology. It's rock hard, unlike some of the other ones in the market, like the Intex, Explorer, Expedition, all those. Those are very popular too. They've been around for many years, but they have the tubular, beach mattress kind of floor. This one is more like a solid kayak floor. Yeah, so go get one. I'm sure you'll enjoy it, and you can take your significant other, out for leisure trip, fishing, I don't know, mini adventure expedition, overnight trip, if that's what you want. Look at the crane.
Oh wow, so big.
Yeah, there's a crane over there. I didn't bring my fishing rod this time. Maybe next time I'll come with my fishing rod. This was just a quick trip, just to get out and try to kayak again. So guys, some people have been commenting in my other videos regarding this kayak and the paddle holders over here. They're saying that they're hitting their knuckles when they're paddling. My solution is that if you raise your seats, put a piece of foam high enough, a little higher than the original factory seats, and you get some longer paddles. Like I bought this Pelican paddles of Amazon. The longer the better, like 2 meters. The general rule is when you have a kayak, the wider the kayak is, the longer the paddles are, it's better, right? To have a longer reach. If your paddles are too short, you're gonna be holding it like, lower to reach the water, so you're gonna be hitting the paddle holders. If they're longer, then your reach is farther and you're clearing the paddle holders, like so. I'm not touching them at all. So hope that helps. Has a motor, a manpower motor. Kan er gis.
Where are riding?
Okay. Okay. We get in there, back to where we came out of. The fin touching the ground.
Yes.
Okay.
Here, take the photo.
Put it on the side here.
Take it out. Yeah.
Can you hold the front to you? No? Okay. Hold on a second.
Wet? You're gonna get wet. Jesus Christ. No parece.
Huh? Keep going. Okay, down.
Parece frog. How you call those?
The fin. All right. So I hope you like this trip. It was just a short outing, just to, as I said earlier, to get the kayak in the water and test it out on my second year of having it and using it. So far everything went well. It's a great kayak, very stable. Yeah, so if you like this kayak, you can go down into my description of this video down below, and I have two links. One is for an Amazon link, and the other one is for the actual GoPlus website. For the price, you get a much better kayak than the popular ones out there. Keep kayaking, hiking, camping, whatever you like. Just play outdoors, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye for now.
Stretches, I get to remember it. Then I see my bed is empty on one side. Back in the sheet, the only place I can hide. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. Sick and weary, and only your love's gonna make it right. I close the curtain, sweating, shaking all over. Imagine you're here. I'm looking up at the door. I'm a better man with your love than without. Stuck in the cell, I may never